It's time for a snack. A crunchy apple should do the trick. Oh, my poor belly. Huh? Where did my apple go? It was here. Sammy, what's going on? Careful! You will ruin my cookies like that.
Don't worry, Sue. I've decided to become a ninja.
So, what do ninjas eat?
Maybe sushi, but raw fish bleurgh.
Oh, I know!
So good. Delicious. Sue, we're all out of cookies.
It's okay, Sammy. I've got it covered.
Whoa! Cookies and cream! I've hit the jackpot! It's my lucky day!
I always forget you've got a sweet tooth. Now, let's get everything out of boxes.
Whoa! It's like a dream come true!
Sam? Hello? Snap out of it!
Huh? Oh, right. Sorry about that. I must have drifted off a bit.
We need to unwrap all the cookies before we can start cooking. Can you help me?
Wait, we're not eating them? What kind of cruel game are you playing, Susan?
Sammy, please. We're going to make candy sushi. It's just what every ninja needs.
What? Really? Why didn't you say so? I'll use my ninja powers to unwrap them all in a jiffy. It was a bad idea. I feel really dizzy.
I guess someone just overdid it a little bit.
I'm back and feeling better, so now what?
We need to split them in half, like this.
I got it.
It'll all be worth it, Sam, I promise.
But there's so many. It's a lot of work. I have an idea. I think I need to try a different approach.
Yeah, you'd better be careful, Sammy. It's getting dangerous.
I'm gonna ninja these cookies. They don't stand a chance. Attack! Ouch! I didn't see that one coming.
Is everything okay, Sam? You need to chill. Really.
No time for that, Sue. It's getting personal. That is one's a tough cookie, but I can do it. Take that! That's it! I admit my defeat.
Phew, that didn't take long. I'm done here.
Awesome! Now what do we do?
Next, we need to crush the cookies. This will make them into a powder.
Are you kidding me? We need something with more power, a lot more power.
Oh yeah? Like what?
We can use my truck. Make way! Who needs a fancy blender when there's horsepower?
Okay, I think it's ready.
Let's speed this up. Here we go.
Oh, are you okay?
Let's better stick to the blender. Hey, Sue, what is that?
Wait a second. It's sweet condensed milk.
So, what are we doing with this? Oh, do I have hair? Cool! Check it out, Sue. I look fabulous. I will never take a shower again.
As you wish, Sammy.
Hey, what are you doing with that?
We need to make a thick paste.
Oh, I see. I can't wait to try these sushi. I bet it tastes much better than those regular raw fish and rice whatever stuff.
Oh, we need to roll it up. Have you seen my sushi mat?
Here you go!
Thanks, I guess. Now let's try to spread the cookie paste more evenly. We need to roll it flat now. Sammy, can you bring me the rolling pin, please?
I thought you'd never ask.
Mysterious.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Sammy. There we go. This what you should get.
Great. Now it's time for powdered milk. Ah, it feels so nice. Hey, what happened to my beautiful hair? It's gone? Oh, no.
Oh, Sammy, come on. Let's get back to work. We need to mix this really well.
Interesting. That gives me an idea.
Time for another costume change, huh? Oh, Sammy, you're becoming so predictable.
Bonjour! I am the famous French chef, Monsieur Samuel.
Nice to meet you, but sushi is Japanese, remember?
Oh, I knew that. In that case, I'm Chef Sam San.
Okay, let me show you how to roll the sushi. This is the tricky part.
Whoa, it looks great. Susie, you are a real master at this. Let's eat.
Not yet, Sammy. We need to let it cool down and get sturdier.
Okay then, I simply have to find something to do while we wait. It looks like it's just you and me, man.
I never lose, Sam. Prepare for the battle, slime.
Hiya! Take that! Ninja spin! Kia!
Whoa! Huh?
Ha! You weren't expecting that, huh? To be honest, neither was I.
Whoa.
Wait a sec. Sue is coming.
Okay. See you later, buddy.
Yeah. Oh, hi, Sue.
Hi, Sammy. So we waited long enough, and here's what we've got. What do you think?
Interesting. It's perfect. Any true ninja would be proud of this.
Wow, that's quite the compliment, Sam. Thanks.
Sue, take this. You will need to put them somewhere, right?
Good thinking, Sammy. Oh, it really looks great.
But something's missing. We need a dipping sauce, don't we?
Of course. How could I forget? What should we use? Mustard or ketchup? It's hard choice. Let's try them both.
Well. What do we have here? Let me try that one first. Is it getting hot in here? Mayday! Ah! Sue, help me, I'm burning! Oh, water! Ah!
Sammy, you okay?
No, I was in flames!
At least you got refreshed.
Phew, you bet. I'll be fine. This one doesn't work. Out! I don't even want to try you. Sue, we need some chocolate right now.
That's a great idea. We'll need to melt it, though.
It's not a problem at all.
No, Sam, this is dangerous. I have a better solution. Magic. Voila! All done.
Wow, Sue! It looks amazing. Hey, I've got the sprinkles. They can make anything better.
I will just add a bit more color to it. Okay? Now let's try our masterpiece. Would you just look at this?
Sue, I want to try it so bad. Give it to me. Gimme! Holy cannoli! It's super delicious, Sue. I love it.
Wow, that was so good. You can have the last piece, Sammy.
I was hoping you were going to say that. But I have a better idea. Let's give it to Roger and make it super spicy. Hey, give it back!
No, Sammy. Ninjas are supposed to help people. Okay, friends, thanks for being with us today.
Yeah,